2.5 cup of basmati cooked rice, steamed rice. So we have our green onion. So fresh yan from the garden. We have our brown onion or white onion that is also from my garden that is already ready to use. This is half tablespoon of soy sauce, half teaspoon of salt. We have 2 XL eggs, half tablespoon ng sesame oil. We have 4 cloves of garlic. I just chop, and we have 1 packet of ham. This is around 8 slices that I chop. Then we will use a little bit of a pinch of going to put oil to our cooking pan. Okay? Lagay na natin ahead ang ating garlic. Kahit hindi pa siya masyadong mainit, guys, kasi para mag-aromatic yung ating garlic. Smell good, oh. Wow. Smells good. It's goody. It's optional, guys, for the fried rice. If you don't want to have this kind of brown onion, so it's alright. But so use high heat. Ham. So we will beat our 2 eggs. So additional 1 tablespoon of our rice. This is basmati rice. So why we put an oil, guys? Because we don't need our rice become dry. Okay? And this is fried rice pa na naman. So we will put our salt. We will put our half tablespoon ng soy sauce. Our spring onion. And our sesame oil. And our fried rice is done. So that's it. Turn off the heat, then continue to stir. Then grab a stick and have a munch. Simple and straightforward fried rice recipe. So you can serve this with 3 persons. If you are serve with 1 person like me, 3 persons. But if you are hungry like me, serve this all to me. So is it all bongacious? And this is our final product. And yes, guys, I wish you can try this simple, straightforward fried fried rice recipe at your own kitchen. And I wish you learned something about preparation. Thank you for watching, everyone. And this is Desho. Bye-bye. Taste is good. I will get my spoon. Wow.